Okay, so I'm up late, but goddamn, I'm not gonna react to this whole fucking thing. But Jesus Christ, Dr. K talking with fucking Pirate Software, and my dude just said some based fucking shit that I was like, oh my god, I'm a big fan of this guy now. Like, I had already been kind of chill with Pirate Software, and I've been recommended Dr. K's videos for a long time now. I've only recently started to begin sifting through some of his content, and this interview that he did with Pirate Software is starting to go really hard, especially with the bombshell that my boy just dropped here. So Dr. K is, for the record now, my boy, because this motherfucker giving a shout out to one of my absolute favorite games of all time, and only OG people know the truth, and the truth is Morrowind.
I mean, I love your content, like I really do. I think you're using comes right.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
When you're right, but incomplete, it becomes harder to show a correction. So like, let's say that I'm trying to think of an analogy. It's like, if I develop a product that is crappy, that is successful, that happens to be successful, it is way harder to understand how that crappy product is crappy. Does that make sense? And I'm not trying to analogize you to a crappy product. I'm really just using this as an example of I mean, I love your content, like I really do. I think you're a great guy. Like, I don't think you deserve this. I'm in your corner, okay? But you see what I mean? I'm just using that as an example of, like, if you make a crappy video game, right? And then, like, people play it, that doesn't make the video game good. And trying to explain to someone, hey, I know y'all think that Oblivion is an amazing game. I'd give it a 10 out of 10, but Oblivion is the start of the decline of the Elder Scrolls series. Oblivion is the first step in the wrong direction to what ended up as Starfield. That is something for a lot of people to have difficulty understanding, right? Because Oblivion was a great game. It's a 10 out of 10. But if you want to really understand the glory that was Elder Scrolls, you have to play Morrowind.
Fucking based. Fucking based. Absolutely goddamn fucking based. Dr. K knows what the fuck is up. He knows what's going on in the world. He knows the truth. He's an educated man who has played one of the best video games of all time. Regardless of how you feel about anything. It cannot be denied that Morrowind was a absolutely fucking stellar title, not only for its time, but I'm sure that it still holds up today if I could get my hands on a copy of it.
And chat is very divided on this topic.
The chat is wrong.
You're goddamn right, chat is wrong. Dr. K is very correct.
Like, they're wrong. It's okay. Sometimes I get to be right and they get to be wrong.
It's a very objective statement.
Absolutely, right? So, and how do people respond to that?
I mean, it depends on the context, right? I think that there are moments where you can make statements like that and it's funny. It's
so I think what makes this hard in your situation is that everything that you say is correct. I just think it's incomplete. So what I'm basically getting a sense of is that you tend to, since you move away from some of this like emotional energy and you lean in. So the first thing that happens is once you suppress your like emotional circuitry, your emotions still influence your logic.
That's very true as well. I only really wanted to react to the Morrowind part because it's that part that's going to get me to really take in a lot more of what this gentleman has to say.